Hello students, lecture 73. In this video lecture we will discuss three questions. First question is that what are the industries on the basis of ownership? Explain each by giving examples. Next question is internal demand of jute has been on the increase. Comment your views in 3 points. This is a very important question. Internal demand of jute has been on the increase. Comment your views in 3 points. And next question is, in recent years there is a tendency for the sugar mills to shift and concentrate in southern and western states, especially Maharashtra. Justify. So these three questions we'll discuss. So let us start first question of this lecture, and question is, I repeat the question, what are the industries on the basis of ownership? Explain by giving two examples of each, that is industries examples. So on the basis of ownership, industries are classified into 4 categories. The first one is public sector industry. Public sector means the industries which are owned or controlled or managed by government. They are public sector industries. For example, Bharat Heavy Electrical Ltd, BHEL, Steel Authority of India Ltd, SAIL, Gas Authority of India Ltd, GAIL are some examples. NALCO, National Aluminium Corporation, are some examples of public sector industries. Second category is private sector industries. Private sector industries are those which are run or managed by an individual or group of individuals. Examples of such industries are Tata Iron and Steel Corporation, TISCO, Bajaj Auto Ltd, Dabur Industries, Reliance Industries, etc. Third category is joint sector industries. Joint sector industries are managed jointly by government and individuals or group of individuals. Example of joint sector industry is Oil India Ltd, OIL, is the example of joint sector industries. Next is cooperative sector industries. Cooperative sector industries are important for 1 mark as well. So cooperative sector industries are the industries whose ownership lies with the workers and raw material producers, or both. Those who are working inside the industry or those who produce raw material, grow raw material for these industries. Either of them or both of them manage these industries. Examples: sugar industry in Maharashtra. I repeat, sugar industry are all over India, but sugar industry in Maharashtra are the examples of cooperative sector industry. Coir industry in Kerala. Coir is the coconut husk, coconut fiber, which is used for making ropes, carpets, mats and other packing material. So this is the classification of industries on the basis of ownership. Other classifications also, you just have a look on other type of classification of industries. Next question of this video is, the internal demand of jute has been on increase. Comment your views in 3 points. Means how the internal demand of jute is on increase. So in this regard, first point we can give, the internal demand of jute has been on the increase due to the government policy of mandatory use of jute packaging. That jute is mostly used for packaging purpose. Second point, the growing global concern for environment friendly biodegradable materials has once again opened the opportunity for jute products. Jute is environment friendly, biodegradable material. So, due to this property of jute, the more doors for use of jute has been opened. And third factor for its increase is the new dimensions of jute products like jute fabric, clothes, wear in jute and other artifacts have stimulated the consumption of jute in the country. So, due to these factors, the internal demand means demand of jute within the country is increased. This question is very important. You have to pay focus on this question. And then third question of this video lecture is, in recent years there is a tendency for the sugar mills to shift and concentrate in southern and western states, especially Maharashtra. Justify. Simple question is that today most of the sugar industries are shifting towards Maharashtra. Why? What is there in Maharashtra? This can be given that due to the following reasons sugar industries are shifting in Maharashtra. Number one, India stands second as a world producer of sugar, but in production of gur and khandsari, India's rank is first. Raw material used in sugar industry is bulky, that is sugarcane, and it requires a heavy and large transportation. So this is general introduction about sugar industry. Now regions. Mills are locating towards Maharashtra. Number one, the climatic conditions are favorable because the nearby coastal areas, so moisture adds to the sucrose content, or the sugar cane does not dry soon. So crushing period increases. Number two, sugar industries in Maharashtra are cooperative nature industries. So it is a success in sugar industries because farmers and workers are the owners of. Number three, the transportation for export import, sea trade link, all the three types of transportation. Mumbai provides as urban center facilities for export, import, banking and etc. And the quality of sugarcane grown in the black soils of Maharashtra are comparatively good compared to other areas. So these are the reasons for shifting sugar industries into western or the southern or the western states, especially Maharashtra. So that's all for this video, and I hope it will help you some. Thank you very much. Keep on reading, keep on watching, keep on writing and understanding.